Dear students of Greenland Public School Sibdhara of class 9th, you are welcome to the new class. Now I would like to teach you of exercise 13.2 of NCERT. So you will see here now question number 5. What is question number 5 here? A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Dear students, we will see what is given here. Radius of the pillar we shall find out. Radius of the pillar is equal to 50 upon 2, that is 25 centimeter, and I have converted this centimeter into meter, so we have got 0.25 meter. Radius of the pillar is 0.25 meter and height of the pillar is given 3.5 meter, so we can say curved surface area of the pillar is equal to 2 pi RH, that is 2 into pi is value 22 upon 7 into R is given 0.25 into H is given 3.5 meter square. So we can write here 44 into 0.25 into 0.5, and after calculation I have got here 22 into 0.25, that is 5.50 meter square. So this is the first solution. Now you will see we have to find a cost now. Since the cost of painting 1 meter square is rupees 12.50, therefore the cost of painting 5.50 meter square is rupees 12.50 into 5.50, because area you have got 5.50 and the cost is given at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So when you multiply these two, you get rupees 68.75. So cost of painting the pillar is equal to rupees 68.75. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find its height. Dear students, curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to how much given? 4.4 meter square. So we can say curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to what happens? 2 pi RH. So we can write 2 pi RH is equal to 4.4 or 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is given here. R is given in this question how much? Radius of the base of the cylinder is given 0.7, so we can say 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into H is equal to 4.4. Now I have made subject height, so H is equal to 4.4 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 0.7 is equal to 70 upon 7 is equal to 10 meter. 10 meters. So we can say here height we have got 10 meter. This is the second solution. Now come to the next question, that is question number 7. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. What is the inner diameter of a circular well? 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find the inner curved surface area and the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Dear students, we can say inner radius is equal to 3.5 by 2 is equal to 35 upon 20 is equal to 7 by 4 meter. Height is given 10 meter. Therefore, inner curved surface area is equal to 2 pi R is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 4 into 10, that is here. Radius is given here, diameter is given in this question. What is given diameter here? So we can say diameter is given 3.5 meters. So radius will be half of 3.5. I have converted over here, so we have got 35 upon 20. So we can say here 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 4 into 10, and after calculation we have got 110 meters square. Now we have to find out the cost. The cost of plastering at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square is equal to rupees 40 into 110 is equal to rupees 4,400. By that way we have got the cost of plastering. Now you come to the next question, question number 8. Dear students, in this question, in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 50 meter. Find the total surface area. Find the total radiating surface area in the system. How much area of the rod is radiating, that we have to find out. Dear student, the area of radiating it will be equal to curved surface area of the cylindrical rod. So we can say here the total radiating surface in the system is equal to curved surface area of the cylindrical pipe is equal to 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into Now radius here, then what is given here in this question? Radius, we have to say here, we have to find out here radius. Diameter is given 50 meter. What is given? 5 centimeter. What is given diameter? 5 centimeters. So radius will be 5 upon 2 centimeters. So radius is 5 upon 2 centimeter, and centimeter has been converted into meter. That's why I have written over here 100. So we can say 5 upon 2 into 100. This is now radius in meter. So we 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5 upon 2 into 100 into height. This is radius, this is height, and 2 into pi. Now these all after cancellation, that is I have crossed 2 and 2, and 7 4 ja 28. Now 25 10 25 22 5 ja 110 into 4 upon now 100. This 0 cancel. So 44 upon 10, that is 4.4 meter square. By that way we have got the radiating area of the cylinder is equal to 4.4 meter square. Now you will try to solve all the questions of this exercise. Thank you.